Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a photo frame. First, gather your materials. You'll need a sturdy piece of cardboard, some colorful craft paper, a reliable glue stick, and a pair of sharp scissors. Don't forget to pick a special photograph, perhaps a 4x6-inch print, and gather fun decorations like buttons, glitter, or tiny artificial flowers to personalize your creation. This project is simple and takes about 30 minutes. Now, let's build the frame's foundation. Take your cardboard and cut two identical pieces, each measuring 8 by 10 inches. On one piece, carefully cut out a rectangular opening in the center, roughly 3 by 5 inches, to serve as your photo window. Next, apply a generous amount of glue along 3 edges of the back cardboard piece, leaving one short side completely open. This opening will allow you to easily insert your cherished photograph later. This is where your creativity truly shines. Begin by covering the front cardboard piece, the one with the window, using your colorful craft paper. Smooth out any bubbles for a neat finish. Then, arrange and securely glue your chosen embellishments around the photo opening. Think about adding a heartfelt, handwritten message or a significant date using permanent markers. This personal touch makes your frame truly unique and memorable for the recipient. You're almost done. Gently slide your special photograph into the open side of your assembled frame, making sure it's centered in the window. Once the photo is perfectly positioned, apply glue to the remaining open edge to seal it completely, securing your picture. For display, you can attach a small cardboard stand to the back or loop a piece of decorative ribbon for hanging. Your beautiful, handmade photo frame is now ready to be cherished.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.